This is how I did not want to start out my video. Cut a pumpkin. Hey everybody, it's Kelly from GMA. Welcome back to level 3 of Jumanji, or day 3 of the pumpkin spice vlogs. We have made everything with sugar. We've made sugary bars, we've made sugary pretzels, so we're going to try something on the savory side with pumpkin today. We're going to try to make pumpkin fries. Here's the recipe. Let's get to it. So to start this recipe, you're going to need 1 pumpkin. I guess depending on the size is how many fries you're going to get, but we are going to slice this in half, or open it and gut it maybe? I don't know where we're going to tackle this. Open it, gut it, slice it? Maybe that would be the easiest. Open it like we would a jack-o'-lantern, then like gut it and slice it. But I got a pretty nice size pumpkin. Alright, here we go. This should be fantastic. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah, let's gut it. I want to point out that in between trying to make some fries for a snack, we're actually making dinner. So we have a chicken stir fry. In the back, we are boiling fresh beets just for later. So fresh red beets, pickle them. We can use them for a salad. We can just have them hot. I like them hot and cut up with a little bit of goat cheese. So we have a whole bunch of everything going on at the same time, so bear with me. I'm doing everything at once. I've broken it, I've cut it in half. I think it'll be easier to clean this way. There's not a lot of seeds. I thought we would have seeds out of this. Maybe a little. One side is completely cleaned out. We're gonna have to try to cut this, get it off of the orange peel. We just went like the fleshy part, like this part. We don't want like the orange part. So smaller knife, I'm assuming. We'll just kind of go in bits. What we're doing is a thinner french fry. We're not going to do like a wedge. We went like thin like this. So, alright. I need like a paring knife. Okay, so what I've been doing is I've been taking sections off, slicing them in half, and then kind of treating it like a cantaloupe, just kind of slicing this off of the orange part, and then cutting them into fries like this. So anytime you make fresh cut fries, you should soak your fries, whether it's water or today we're going to use pumpkin beer to soak our fries in. We may need to. This is good stuff. So this is about half of a pumpkin. It made a lot. So we're going to drain the liquid, pat this dry a little bit, and then we're going to toss a little bit of cornstarch on this. Not a lot, maybe like a teaspoonful, just to give it like absorb in there. And this said to bake it, but we're going to air fry these and see how they turn out. So when I say not a lot, I mean not a lot. There's maybe like a teaspoon in there. We're going to quick toss this around, get them on a sheet, and we're going to season these with garlic powder and a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to go from there. So the garlic's in here, the olive oil's in here. We're going to stick it on a sheet. We're going to stick it in the air fryer. I know, where's pumpkin spice, right? Well, this is pumpkin, and we just spiced it with spices. I didn't say it had to be traditional pumpkin spice, did I? Ha! Loophole! We're going to fry this in the air fryer. And then when it comes out, we'll do, how about some sea salt flakes and some Parmesan cheese on top to try it. Alright, let's get on this. Alright, ready to go in to our air fryer. We are going to make, oh my gosh, my hands are so dirty. We're going to use French fry, which is 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Let's see if this is what we need to do. And a big shout out to Teresa today for watching and supporting and always liking and commenting on my videos. Jimmy, she said that if you really want to try the pumpkin fries, she will gut and carve a whole pumpkin to make a big batch for you. So this is what they look like after 15 minutes. The thinner ones kind of got like a little bit, they are nice and crispy. But the thicker ones are still kind of like, I don't know, gummy. I don't know what a good happy medium is. Maybe they would have worked better baked. But let's just go with it, do a few more, and then we'll just dress them and try them. Alright, so not every recipe is a success. I feel like this is not a success. I feel like this is going to be disastrous. So, I didn't make them all. I just made 2 batches to try. Let's try it together, see how it is. I really don't have high hopes. This was a lot of work, so hopefully it does have a good taste to it, but let's just see. Alright, here we go. It's falling apart in my hand. I like the hint of beer, because the beer had a little bit of spice to it. It had like that pumpkin spice flavor to it. So it definitely like defines that it's pumpkin. I don't like anything else. I didn't get crispy enough. It's not flavorful enough besides that beer. Even with cracked sea salt on it, I added some Parmesan to it. Maybe there's a different way to make this, but this was not the way. So I'm going to give this a big fat no. Don't do this. But try it. Or maybe if you just know a better way, that'd be great too. Yeah. Yeah, the other half of the pumpkin we're going to roast and we're going to turn into, let's say, a pumpkin soup. That I know how to do. That's really good. But pumpkin french fries are, no. It's a no. It's definitely a no. Give me a big thumbs up for trying this. For effort. For maximum effort. Comment below if you like what you saw. Hashtag pumpkin spice for a couple more videos. We're on day 3. We still have 4 more days to go. 4 more recipes. Until we eat again, stay